find the prime factorization of 120 by using short division. And they want us to write the answer in exponential form. So, what's important? Use short division. 120, and they want the answer in exponential form. So, when we're doing it in long division, it's pretty simple. We're just going to take the number they want to factorize, and we're going to write it out. And then we're going to find a prime number that divides into 120. If it's an even number, the easiest way to go is just go with 2. 120 divided by 2 is 60. We're going to divide again. Another number, it's even, so let's go with 2. Notice how these are all just always going to be prime numbers. So 60 divided by 2 is 30. Do 2 again, we have 15. Let's go again. This time we can't do 2, but we know 3 is a factor of 15 and it's prime, so let's go with 3. And then we are left with 5. So we have all of my prime factors listed now. 2, 2, 2, 3, and 5. Now if we're just going to write this in normal prime factorization, we could just write it out as, take my biggest first, we're going to write in descending order. 5 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. And that equals 120. Now our question wants the answer in exponential form. So we're just going to take the factors that have more than one of them, like our 2 here, and we're going to write it with an exponent. So we can rewrite this as 5 times 3 times 2, and we have 3 2's, so we're going to say to the power of 3, and that equals 120. And that's how you find the prime factorization of a number using short division. Now let's look at a different example. Here we want to find the prime factorization of 136 by using a factor tree. Again, they want us to write it in exponential form. So prime factorization of 136, factor tree, answer in exponential form. So we're going to take 136 and we're going to draw 2 lines. Now one of these has to be a prime number. Well, it doesn't have to be, but it's easier if it is. So let's take 2, we know that's a prime number. And since we know it's prime, we're going to circle it. 136 divided by 2 is what? 68. Now we're going to divide that again. Let's do a prime, circle. 68 divided by 2 is 34. Let's go again. We have 2, it's prime. And going into 2 twice is 17. We know 17 is prime, so we can circle it. Now to write this out in exponential form, let's put 17 times, our other factors are 2, so we're going to say 2, and we have 3 of them, so 2 to the power of 3 equals 136.